do 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 do. We're back. Gross! There's a girl in the bathroom. It's Moaning Myrtle from Harry Potter. Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter. Oh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter. Go over here, little girl. Ah! You smell awful! How'd that go? What a name. Well, stick my hand in the toilet. No wonder. Alright. I wonder where that little coward dude ran off to. He's probably hiding in a locker. If I remember recording, or I didn't record it, but he hid in a locker. I'm psychic. He's definitely in a locker. That's a demon. Not a human being. Skeleton. Oh no, what happened? Ah! Oh, Ferdina left. Now I'm gonna record this alone. Sorry, my nose is itchy. Where could he be hiding? I'm pretty stumped over into that. Man, I suck at this game. Somebody's trying to call me. They're calling me. I don't know why, but I'm really tired right now. Where is he? Where is he hiding? While calling me. I'm busy. Okay. Hold on. Somebody texted me. Where is he hiding? Hold on. Let's open it. This iPad keeps going off. Oh! Sleeping. I'm sorry. Where's Kudo? So where's he hiding? I swear I've checked every place now. What's this? I caught you. What am I doing? Oh, I'm gonna jump off the roof, eh? Stop it, evil spirit. Yeah. You serial, bro? Serious, bro? People, stop calling me! I'm recording. Jeez. Can I not get my own recording time? I have to end this episode early if I just can't find anything. It'll be boring. Yeah, I already went to that. I swear he's in a locker. There's no way I can be wrong. Or he's in the corner of a room, or I don't even know. Because I swear earlier when I played this game, I don't know if I was recording, but I remember going into a room and he was up in the corner hiding. Little butt face, come out. It's me. Follow me. Library. Oh my gosh, I'm recording! Can I not? Can. I already got in the video. Recording right now, dude. Oh, there he is. Shutter. Toma! Wah! Ender, don't startle me. You always struck me as tough, but I guess you really are a coward. Well, what's that? Still, I can't believe Satoma's dead. Oh, Toma. It ain't my fault. I didn't do nothing wrong. It's all Misoa. Dang it! Misoa's gonna kill me. Help me, Ender. You help me, then we'll save Misoa together. Huh? Don't be fooling. It's Misoa's fault all this happened. Why the heck do you want to save her? Would you rather stay here forever? Because I don't care what happens to you. Laters! Wait, oh, okay. I'll do whatever. Just don't leave me alone. Well, alright. Don't fall behind. Yeah, okay, let's go. Disappeared. Wait, what? Ah, can't move! Grr. What happened? Is he bleeding? Tom! Tom, stay with me. Good, he's still breathing. I have to get him treated. Whoops! I fell in a toilet. Dang it. Fuck. I'm gonna leave it here, I guess. I need to find the room he's in first, though, before I end the episode. Did I go up or down? Where is he hiding? No, it's up. I think. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. I'm sleepy, I'm sorry.